In this video, let us see how to get this free VPS without any credit card or debit card. Actually, we're going to use the Google Firebase Studio to get this free VPS. And the cool features about this VPS is that you have the root access. When we type the full you consider it a root user. And another cool feature is that you have 64-bit architecture CPU and you have 2-core CPU. And another cool feature is that you have 8 GB total storage. And you can also run the petrol acid panel here. And you can also run the Olama models as well. So let us see how to get this free VPS without any credit card or debit card. Let's get started. For this, open any browser and in the search bar, just type idx.google.com. Just head over to this website, idx.google.com. Head over to this website. You can see this the interface. So make sure you have your Gmail account login. Then the dashboard will look similar to this. Here what you have to do is you have to click on import repo. Here you have to give any repo URL. For that, let me go to my GitHub profile now. This is my GitHub profile. Let me go to the repositories now. So here you can give any repositories. I'm gonna select this repository now, resume analyzer using Python. So let me copy this repository URL now. So click on code and copy the URL and paste the URL here and edit the name here. You consider the name is more than 20 characters. So remove some characters now. So I'm gonna give resume analyzer and click on import. So it will take some time to import this repository now. So using this Google Firebase Studio, we're gonna get the free VPS. Let me show you how to do that now. So consider it is initializing the environment for us. So once it is finished, we will get something similar to the Visual Studio Code. Consider now we have the Visual Studio Code interface right here. What you have to do is consider here we have the repository files on the left hand side. If you click on the three icons on the left hand side, so let me close this. If you click on these three icons and here select view and click on terminal. So again click on the three icons and click on terminal and click on new terminal. Consider now we have the free VPS. So this is how you get the free VPS. Here you can perform any operations now. So let me show you one by one. Actually, if you take the sudo command now, consider sudo is not installed, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to install the sudo here so that you have the root access. So consider the sudo is not installed. So even the apt commands is also not installed. Consider apt update. Apt is also not installed, not available. So to fix this, just open a new tab and type free root and open this GitHub repository now. Consider this is the repository that we may use to get the root access proxy tower. So if you scroll down, there will be a installation guide. So first we need to clone this. So copy this now and go to the terminal now and let me clear the screen. So first copy and paste the first line now and press enter. It will clone into the repository. So we consider let's jump into that folder now. I'm gonna jump into the folder that we have a clone now, cd free root. Consider let me clear the screen. Now we have inside the folder now. So actually we have done this two step. The next step is to copy and paste the installer runner command. Consider permission deny. So let me try the second one now. So this one is not working. So let me copy this one and paste it here and press enter. Consider do you want to install this Ubuntu and type yes. You can say it starts installing some software there. It will take some time. Now you consider we got mission completed. Now if you type the format, you consider it says root user. So this is how you get the root access inside this Firebase Google Studio. Now if you type the apt update command now. So one more thing I want to tell is that if you want to install any package, if you install curl, actually we have to update the packages first. That's why we got this error unable to locate curl. So apt update, first we have to update this. Consider now all the packages has been updating. So just give you a few minutes, it will take some time. Now that all the packages has been updated, so it's also upgrade them. So apt upgrade. So I'm gonna press Y here now. Now all the packages has been updated and updated successfully. If you want to see this free space, just type -. Consider here we have total 8 GB of free storage and we have used 1 GB, 1.5 GB of that and we have remaining to 3.5 GB. Let me clear the screen and if you want to see the folders available, just type df-. You consider these are the folders available. Let me clear the screen. If you want to see the CPU architecture, just type ls CPU. Consider here we are using the 64-bit architecture and number of CPUs that we have is the 2 core CPUs. So let me clear the screen now. And if you want to install any package, just apt install command. So for example, if you want to install a Python, just type apt install Python. You consider it as installing the Python. So let me press Y here now. You consider it as installing the Python. So using this apt command, you can install any package that you want to install here in this free VPS. And let me clear the screen. Now the Python has been installed successful. Let me type Python now. You consider now we got the Python interpreter. Here you can run any Python commands now. So for example, we can print hello world here now. So print hello world, you consider is displays hello world. So let me exit this Python interpreter now. So if you want to install any other package, for example, apt install curl. So let me press Y here now. Consider now it starts installing the curl package for us. Now the curl has been installed successful. And one more thing I want to show you is that you can also install Docker here as well. So apt install docker.io and press enter. You consider it starts installing the Docker now. So if you install the Docker, you can do many things here. You can install init, you can install MySQL server here. Many things that you can do with the Docker. You consider it starts installing the Docker. Just give you a few minutes, it will take some time to install the library. And one more thing while that is installing is that you can also run the Petro panel here. So in the Google, just type Petro panel, GitHub. You can also run this Petro panels here. What you have to do is this clone this repository inside that Firebase terminal, and you can follow the procedure that I mentioned here for the installation. So this is just a quick note that I want to tell that you can run this Petro panel. Now the Docker has been installed successfully. And if you type the Docker command, if you get any message similar to this, that means the Docker has been installed successful. Now we have to start the Docker server now. So for example, if you go to the Docker hub to get the any Docker package, so let me go to this Docker hub now. Here you can search any Docker containers now. So for example, you can also install init and here now. So let me type init and properly. You can also install the init and inside the Firebase Studio. So if you copy and paste that command in this terminal, it will install the init and containers here. But this video is actually too long, so I will end this video here. If you want to try this, you can try that. You will install any Docker containers here inside this Firebase Studio. So this is it. So this is how you get the free VPS without any credit card or debit card. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.